And so let's just take this opportunity now to move into a time of meditation, into a time of prayer, a time of realizing and calling forth that divine strength within ourselves. And so right here, in this now moment, we connect with the strength that we are. We connect with the light that we are. We call forth that strength in this moment as quiet fortitude. Letting go any and all thoughts that would seek to tell us that we are less than the fullness of spirit. That we are less than perfect, that we are less than whole. We consciously release those thoughts, knowing in this moment that they serve no purpose here. Knowing in this moment that they are not the truth of who and what we really are. For in this moment, we've realized that truth. In this moment, we've realized that we are divine. We are whole. We are perfect. We are the expression of spirit. And as that expression, we carry with us all of Spirit's love, all of Spirit's light, all of Spirit's strength. And so as we move now into the stillness, into the silence, into the quiet, we do so allowing that fullness of spirit to just flow through us. Paying attention to our thoughts and gently noticing any time we feel less than the fullness of God. When we encounter a thought, we release it and reaffirm the truth that divine spirit invigorates our body and quickens our mind. And so we allow that spirit to do just that as we move into the silence. And as our awareness begins to return to this time, to this place, we carry with us the knowledge that we are fully present, fully sacred, fully aware of our light And we allow that light to carry us forward into the rest of our experience this day. And so it is with gratitude in our heart that we say, thank you, Spirit. And so it is. Amen.